Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this eyeshadow look. It's super simple. If you want to learn how to do this look, just keep on watching. To start off, you're going to want to start off by putting your lock primer. You can use any primer you would like and feel free to put it all over your face. Next off, I'm going to be using my Hydrating e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. You're simply just going to want to apply it on your eyelid and blend. Moving on, I'm going to set my eyelids with my Wet n Wild Photofocus Loose Setting Powder. Onto eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette and these two brushes. It could be any type of blending brush. I'm going to be going in with the color No Joke from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and you're simply just going to want to pack that in your eyelid to get a vibrant yellow. Keep in mind that this yellow is our transition shade. Next, we're going to move on to the color Feelin Myself. That's an orange tone, and we're going to be putting that almost near our crease, and you're simply going to want to pack that in as well. Keep in mind that blending is key, and just keep on blending and don't give up. Now with the blending brush, you're going to want to go back into color No Joke, which is the yellow or transition shade, and simply blend the orange and the yellow together. Now for our last color, we're going to go into this purple called Therapy Sesh, and you're simply going to want to put that right on top of the orange, close to the eyelid, and you're going to want to just blend that in and also pack it on your whole entire eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with this Real Technique brush and simply blend all the colors together to bring a smooth finish. The gems I'm using, I bought them on Amazon. I will be leaving the link down below, and I'm going to be using the number 11 and 12. You're going to want to be needing glue as well as tweezers and a mirror, and I put 10 on each side. Now with your glue, you're going to want to just mark where you want it, and then you're going to pick up your tweezers and simply apply the gem onto your eyelid. Now here is the final look. It was super simple, honestly, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to watch in the future.